Hello boys and girls, it's Mrs. Bird. Today we're going to talk about subtraction. Now before we get started, we have to talk about some important words that go with subtraction. So the first important word is subtract. When you subtract, you take some away and you get a smaller number. So 8, we started with 8 donuts. Take away 5, we take away 5. So that means we are subtracting. Subtract. We subtracted and now we have less donuts left. Now we have 3 donuts left. 3 is smaller than 8. Total. The total is the big number that we start with before we subtract. We have 8 donuts total. And then we ate some to see how many we have left. Minus. The minus sign is the symbol that tells us to subtract or take away. 8 minus 5. Equals. The equal sign helps show what's left. Equals also means the same as. If you look at the bottom number sentence, it says 8 minus 5 equals 3. That means we started with 8, we took away 5, and now we have 3 left. Boys and girls, we're going to be learning different strategies you can use to subtract. The first one is using your fingers. You always have them with you, so they're a fantastic tool to use. If we want to do 5 minus 1, you would first hold up 5 fingers because that's how many you're starting with. Then it says minus 1. That means put 1 down and then count how many fingers you have left, which would be 4. Now we're going to practice. Okay, boys and girls, 9 minus 1. I want you to put up 9 fingers. Should kind of look like this. You have all your fingers on one hand and then you have 4 on the other hand. So you should have 1 finger down. Now, minus 1, that means put 1 down. So it should look something like this. Go ahead and count your fingers. You can even count it with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You should have 8 fingers left. Let me get a darker color though, that might have been hard to see. All right, boys and girls, now we're going to do 6 minus 1. Go ahead and put up 6 fingers. You should have all of one hand and 1 more. Now take away 1. That means put 1 down. How many do you have left? It should look like this, where you have all of one hand. And we know that on one hand we have 5 fingers. So 6 minus 1 is 5. 5 minus 4. So put up 5 fingers. That's going to be a whole hand. Then it says minus 4. So that means take away 4. So you have all 5 fingers up. Go ahead and put down 1. Put down 2, put down 3, put down 4. How many do you have left? You should have 1. So 5 minus 4 equals 1. 10 minus 4. Go ahead and put up all 10 fingers. Now we're going to take minus 4, so that means put 4 down. So put down 1, put down 2, put down 3, put down 4. Go ahead and count how many you have. It should look like this, with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 10 minus 4 equals 6. Great job, boys and girls. Now, anytime you see this symbol, this minus symbol, remember, that means we're taking something away. And you can use your fingers to do that just by putting down however many it says to take away.